Hey guys, today's video will be about unboxing. We unboxing a Louis Vuitton agenda refill. This is something I buy every year. I think agenda is usually available beginning of October. Last year was a little bit late. So let's go ahead and open this box and we'll see what's inside. Right, so let's tear that box. Let me see if I can do it with my one hand. So I started ordering agenda, I think from 2018. This was my first year, and then I like the design of it and how it feels, and I keep ordering it since that. So you'll see the Louis logo. Here we go. Let's see. Here's the famous box. I don't think we need to look at the receipt, but we'll go straight to the agenda. So this is how it looks. Pretty standard. It's like an envelope, and I'll show you closely. Let me move this box out of the way. So it's pretty standard casing. Like I said, it's just a little folder. You can see this is leather, I think. So let's open this and let's see what is inside. Ooh, that looks very cute. So it's Agenda 2021. I already like the design. Look how cute is this picture. And just a plane in a back. So this is Agenda GM. I do have a little large size planner. I might show you in other videos, but this video will be about just this agenda. So it looks like this year they made silver pages. Let's see. Oh, that looks good. Let's see. Yeah, you can see there's a silver. And let's open this thing. Get that out of the way. I'm just gonna flip quickly through the pages. So they're standard. I don't think this year, so every year they would put like address book, and not sure if that was the purpose of it or somebody were using it still, but I think this year was just this, unless I didn't order the complete version, but I'll have to find that out. But let's go through this quickly. So we get the, ooh, that looks very nice. Look at this cutie. So this is the front page. This is standard. Comes area agenda. This is also some, this is about this year. So you can read through this, and it's what was the inspiration, I guess, for this for next year agenda. So the calendar, which is pretty standard, same as this. So the public and religious holidays, that's also standard. So you can see the ends on the pages are not square, so they're a little bit curved. So this is just the pink. So this is cute. That's also standard. This is standard. So what I use this page is for, I use for my budget. So you know, if I want to track, so I put in each day I put how much I spent, and then I put here total, so I know if I want to track, let's say for May, how much I spent. I usually put the numbers here, and then in the end I can see how much I spend per month. So that's how I use this page. I'm pretty sure you know you can find other ways, but just an idea how I use this page. So this is also standard. I have this in my current year, and as an idea as well, I use this pages as my habit tracker. So I put like what, you know, I put like a list of what habits I want to track for certain months, and I just, you know, put here in those squares, you know, the habits that I completed, I guess, for the day. So this is for each month, so I'm gonna skip. It's pretty same standard. So this is the En Voyage starting on December 21st. It always starts with, you know, first week of, in this case, this year. And then I really like design. I wasn't really a fan of this year design. It was kind of cool, but I think I like this one is better. Very it's like a painting, or you know, paint like a water brush kind of thing, which is pretty cool. So this is January. Again, very standard format. So you get per day, I think it starts from 8 to 9. And then you get this section is split for the Saturday and Sunday. So I'm not gonna flip through each page, of course, but I'm just gonna show you a few months in case you want to see it. So this is a February one, which is kind of cute. It's ski season. February. So then I'll show you April. You probably will see the April months on, you know, if you go to Louis Vuitton website, this page actually is shown there. So it's months when, you know, the first man went to the moon. Let's see if we can find some May, maybe. So here's the May. It's like underwater, radiant. Let's see, we'll find some Juliet. I'm not familiar, but can you tell me? I think this is the French, right? Very interesting. And this is August. Very cute. See if I can find my favorite ones, which will be September. Ooh, this is cute. So it's a lavender. And then let's go through October. It's cool. Yeah, I really like the design. I think those pages are pretty cool. So this is like a rice field, maybe. Ooh, let me skip through. So let me show you quickly here. I think it's a pretty standard. So you got next year calendar, you get a few pages of some notes, and then this year you actually got a stickers, which is very cool. Wow, pretty cool. So you got a stickers. Last year I think you got a sticker as well. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think the design wise of this page, the cover of the month's pages are pretty cool this year. So yeah, I think overall it's very good. And this year was actually relatively early. I think last year was a little delay, had to wait extra months, and then rush to set up everything. So yeah, let me know if you want to see my larger agenda, how I plan. I can make videos about that as well. I can show you quickly my current year, how I set up, what I use pages for that. Maybe you can get some ideas how you can use it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.